Hello everyone, it is me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace. If this is your first time here, well, welcome. I don't have an intro for this channel yet, so we're just gonna keep going. Today I'm going to just be serving you a bit of looks, just a little bit of looks. I feel very posh, like, for some reason. My lace may or may not be lifted in this video, but if she isn't cool, stop looking at it, stop staring. I just feel very fall vibey, and I love this brown hair on me. I never thought to go brown. I'm sorry, it's getting a little too filthy, so I just have to, there's literally no water in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sink handy when I go. See bong time. So I made three purchases from two places. I get really sidetracked, so let me just try to be all condensed. That's the right word. I bought a couple of items from Princesspolly and from dollskill. I bought one item from dollskill, and it's my favorite item yet. How I found Princesspolly was because I was looking for other websites to buy GIA clothes from, because girl, I rebuke paying thousands of dollars to have an outfit. I rebuke it in the mighty name of Jesus. That's not gonna happen. Like, I can't. So until I start making that much money, I'm not about to purchase anything full price. Like, no ma'am, no ham. Like, you really thought I was about to buy this full price? Sister, auntie, honey. No, we don't do that here. I was looking for some stuff from GIA. I wanted to get these high-waisted pants. I forgot what they're called. I wanted to get those pair of pants, but I was looking at reviews and they were not the best quality, and I'm just like, I'm not paying $87 for pants that are quality from Shein. As you guys know by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing the Pixie jacket and these TRAITOR shoes from Current Mood. I'm sold on dollskill. So instead of talking so much, which I am great at doing, I was just trying to explain that I'm very frugal and I'm good with shopping. I'm an online shopping queen. I never paid full price. Like, what's that? We never heard of her. Always use discounts. I kind of already opened the shoe, and I kind of already opened the package because I had this package for literally 5 years, probably like 3 days, and the box is all torn up because I'm great at handling things in my room. Like, for some reason it looks like this, but I literally got these like 4 days ago. But basically, this is how big the box is from Current Mood. Dollskill's packaging was so cute, but like, I threw it away because why am I keeping trash in my room for what? Basically, it's these shoes. I already unboxed one of them, but this is the unboxing part, right? Like, it's these huge Stomper Moon Boot AF shoes, and their original price was $110 doll hairs. I paid $88 doll hairs. The one thing, I was really sad because they're originally $88 on the website when I first saw them, and then they went off sale, and I was like, I can't buy them. So I started looking for a whole bunch of shoes, and then I saw some shoes from Unif that were $172, but I was like, no, those shoes are gonna be in my closet. Those Bratz boots, I'm gonna get them by God's grace. Then they had this 20% off, and I snatched that code up and bought it with a quickness. So now I have my boots. Really stinking nice. Really friggin' nice, man. Like, look at them in all their moon stomping glory. So cute, so beautiful. I literally love these, and my main point of getting these was for the BTS concert in Chicago, which I'm going to very, very soon. Literally, I haven't packed, but I'm going on a plane to Chicago tomorrow. Ask me why I'm going to Chicago, that's a whole nother story. You can watch the reason why I'm going to Chicago on my K-pop channel. These shoes, they're really heavy. I feel like they're really well built. It's made with vegan leather, pleather material, faux leather. It laces all the way up, as you can see, and at first I thought it looked a little weird because you can't really tell on video, but it's a bit rounded at the front, let me make sure she's in focus. So I thought it was gonna like fit weird and look weird on my feet, but it didn't look weird on other people's feet when I saw it on the website. So I was just like, I don't want these to look ugly. So I thought it was gonna have a weird fit and like make my toes crunch or something, but it really didn't. I think that's just how it's built, so like it can have like a rounded top so you can like stand on your tippy toes easier and not be hella flat-footed in wedges. When you first put them on, they feel like they're too big. I got these in a size 9. That's my original size. Medium fit, not wide fit. So like regular feet, or like not skinny feet, but like not wide. Or do I have skinny feet? I don't know. So usually I get like an 8.5, 9, but when it comes to like boots or like wedges or heeled boots, I get a size 9. A lot of times I wear thicker socks, or I wear these things in the winter time because they're just better for the winter or the fall. And just looking at them, you see they're so high. I'm a 5'5". Without these shoes, with these shoes, I'm 5'10", 5'11", which is ultimately perfect because I don't know if I said this, I have the GA standing ticket, like not even like GA seated. Like I don't have no seated seats. I'm gonna be standing. I'm gonna be at the stage. I'm trying to be at the stage. Pray for me. I hope, pray to the Lord Jesus that I'll be at the stage. But yeah, you guys, these are the shoes. They're pretty freaking torch. I really love these. I needed a big stomping black pair of boots to wear to concerts and events, and just like I'm probably gonna end up wearing these every day. Who knows? And people might be afraid of me as I walk down the street, but it's your prerogative. I'm kidding. When you put them on, I would just say lace them up starting from the bottom so they fit your foot size well, because like I said in the beginning, when you first put them on, they feel like they're too big, and I was kind of pissed off, but then I tightened them and it was just like, oh. And I got these for 88 bucks on dollskill, and I feel like you should still be able to get them. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Oh, I guess since it's like right here, the second item that I got, and these last two are from Princesspolly. This item I just got because like I like the way the model looked. It's these shades. I forgot what they're called, but like, don't I look cool? AF. Lie again. Tell me I don't look cool. Say it again. I'll wait. I'll wait. Oh, I'm just waiting for my Uber XL. I'm just waiting for my matcha green tea latte. Extra soy. Like, what were you saying? Say it again. Say it again. But these are so nice. You get this little look. Major look. And also, you guys, I'm supposed to be promoting with this sunglass brand called Made You Look, and or Made You Look, like it's a look. Made You Look. That, I don't know what language that word is from, but it's a look. Yeah, you guys, like I'm gonna leave that link real fast in the description box, and if you guys want to like support your girl, you know, get a quick code from Made You Look, because these are not from Made You Look, but like they have really, when I say really nice shades for a very affordable price. Girl, you don't want to miss the deals, and I got a code for you, so like you pay less, I get, you know, something like 10%. I don't know what they do, but like this is like one of my first times like promoting with somebody, so I'll leave that in the description box down below. I just feel like a baddie that pays her bills, that goes to the library, you know, for what reason we don't know, reading the newest anime. I don't know where I'm going with this because I don't even read anime. I read webtoon. But yeah, I just feel like these just look so good. Like at first I thought, I was like, why do they like point up? But like looking at myself in the mirror, I look good. So I was in the need for like a pair of black shades, because I was like, I don't have any like don't look at me, don't breathe my air sunglasses. I actually need to get bigger ones, because I don't know what y'all thought this trend of the bin sunglasses was for 2007. Like it's for forever. Like I need my bifocal giant, not bifocal, that's a lot. Covers half of my face. I need those sunglasses. I really do. I really do, because some of these tiny glasses aren't working. Like perfect size. What I have is the GIA PIXIE coat. Boom, that's how you know it's real, girl. But I did not pay full price. And I got it, it says size medium. The thing about the sizing with the GIA jacket is really weird. I'll try it on for you guys right now. Some people said to size down. Oh, almost let that drop. Because it's so big. Maybe I have lemur arms. I think I'm very compact. Because I'm only 5'5". I don't really have long legs. I have like medium legs. They're on the longer side because I guess I'm the average height for a female in the United States. So like, I'm not tall and I'm not short. I'm taller than some, I'm shorter than a lot. So like, I don't know what logic people were having. But let me show y'all this real quick. So this is let me move back. This is the jacket. She's super cute. Super in style. And they were talking about the sleeves and I was just confused because they were like, yeah, this is too big. I got this in a size 6. Now, it says medium on the code. I'm not sure if they'll sell it medium at GIA, but on Princesspolly, they have it a size 2, 4, 6, and a size 8 and a size 10. And I would usually go for a size, 10 because I like my jackets oversized. But since this jacket is already oversized, people were getting their original size. So I got this in a size 6, which is like my dress size. So I was like hoping that it wouldn't be too snug, but people would like size up because it's oversized. And I was originally gonna get a size 4. If I would have gotten the size 4, I actually would have been pissed off because this covers my butt. But like if I would have got the size 4, it would have been like a regular coat. Like you would see my jeans. If I was wearing some, you would see my jeans if I was wearing jeans. Like I hate coats like that. So like if it's just gonna be a winter coat, it needs to cover my bum. Like I'm wearing like a t-shirt dress. Hold on. I'm wearing like a t-shirt dress. So like I usually, if it's an oversized coat, it needs to come somewhere near the ending of my t-shirt dress or like my dress in general, or it's not cute. It's not cute. It's really not. So it's not as soft as it looks, and I still want to get it in the camel color. I got it in this black color because I know I wear black way more than I wear camel, but I just want to get the camel because like I want to try new things. With this, I'm super excited. This is gonna be like my fall winter jacket. And I was going to take it to Chicago with me, but I don't think it's going to be that cold. It's going to be raining way more, and I'd hate to get this wet. Not saying it's going to be a bad when it gets wet, but it's like, I don't want to say sheepskin because this is definitely a faux material. This is not like an animal fur, like hell no. Only thing I can describe it is like when you get those like hoodies and it has like that that white like fluffy cloud-like material inside. That's what this feels like. So it's not super soft, but it's soft, and it has the lining inside so you don't sweat, and it has these nice giant pockets, which I truly appreciate because they're actually huge, but there's no pockets inside. And overall, I like this purchase a lot. At first I thought it was a bit low quality because the zipper, it's gonna be a mission to zip up the jacket, not gonna lie, but I feel like I'm gonna wear it open, and if I wear it, if it's like super cold that I have to like, not freeze, I'm probably gonna layer and just still keep it open because, and I want to put on my beret like the girl did that was wearing the model that was wearing the glasses, but like my head's too big with this wig on. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. That was the review on those 2 items and a little third one thrown in, these shades. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I saw that people were wanting to see this more than just having it in a haul. Like stuff like this, when it's like a item that's like really popular, like when I get my boots from Unif, I'm gonna do unboxing and talk about everything down to the size and the detailing, because when it's expensive items, you want to know everything about it before you make that big commitment of like spending $100 plus on the item. So definitely look for coupons. Definitely look for other websites that sell it cheaper. That's like a third-party website that's trusted, because I never heard of Princesspolly, but then I saw on YouTube that Princesspolly is a thing. That's how I know, and I believe that is an Australian-based website as well. Especially with all these Instagram websites, you guys gotta be careful because a lot of them just be reselling stuff. But like stuff like GIA and Love Too True, like their own company. But we ain't even talking about Love Too True because I ordered some stuff and it's still not here. So I'm watching you guys. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, girl. And just stay tuned for more content, more things. If you guys have any requests for like certain K-beauty products or clothing items you guys want me to review, or you want to see more thrift hauls, you want to see more hauls in general, or you want to see certain types of lookbooks, let me know. Give me ideas because I have ideas, but I'm not sure if people want to see them. I'm rambling enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Have a good night or good day. Have a good day. Bye.